cutaneous innervation of the whole of the upper limb, ventral aspect as well as the dorsal aspect. First, come to cutaneous innervation. For this, I will tell you a story. To memorize the cutaneous innervation, just listen one story that there was a farmer. He has got 3 sons. Yeah. The elder son, the second son and the third son. These are in yellow color. This is supposed to be son means ladka. L for ladka, L say lateral. These are on the lateral aspect. That is towards the thumb. One farmer has got 3 sons. The elder son, the second one, and the youngest one. The farmer distributed his land amongst them. Okay. Now the elder son, they got this much of land, but they are very has good relation with each other. So they overlap. This area are overlapped by 2. This the upper one and the elder one and the second one. This area are overlapping. Okay. And the elder son enclosed somewhat the land of the second son. He has to come up to the middle point of the arm, but has enclosed somewhat below. Second son, likewise, he enclosed the territory of the youngest son, that he has to come up to the elbow joint and he enclosed somewhat distally. But the youngest son, he maintained his own territory up to the wrist joint. Now they got married. This M for median nerve and M for मीठे स्वभाव की बहू. ठीक है? Sweet nature, bride has come. This is ring finger. So ring signifies that the bride has come into their life. Okay? So we have to connect this from the ring finger, the middle of the ring finger. And now the sweets are distributed among the villagers. So this is laddu. Here in red color, this signifies laddu. And they all, the son as well as the sweet-natured bahu, that bride, is provided with a bamboo to safeguard their land. The elder son, he has taken that bamboo in his arm. The second one, he put that bamboo on his head horizontally. The youngest son put his bamboo on his head but on somewhat oblique. Okay? And the bride, you also taken in her arm. That is on the lateral aspect. It is on the top and it is going oblique, and this is also oblique but in the lateral aspect. The question will come, draw a diagram to show the cutaneous innervation of the ventral aspect of upper limb. Okay, the short note will come. So you have to draw this diagram, and by thinking of this story you can make very fast. Okay. So this is, and this is on the lateral aspect. So upper lateral cutaneous nerve of arm. This is arm. This is on the upper aspect, lateral aspect. So upper lateral cutaneous nerve of arm. This is lower lateral. In the arm it is lower. So lower lateral cutaneous nerve of arm. There is no upper lower. In the forearm there is only one. So lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm. M for मीठे स्वभाव की बहू, M for median nerve. This laddu is the superficial radial nerve. This is the territory of. Now very important question comes here. This is ball of thumb. This is thumb and this is known as ball of thumb. This one. Okay. It is supplied by which nerve? Supplied by 3 nerves. You can see here the median nerve as well as the superficial radial nerve, which is the branch of radial nerve, and the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm, which is the branch of musculocutaneous nerve. So 3 nerves supply ball of thumb. Very important question of Viva. Okay? And above the bamboo, this is the supraclavicular nerve, which is nothing but the ventral rami of C3 and C4 spinal segment. Intercostobrachial nerve, intercosto as well as brachial. So supply the intercostal area as well as the some part of the arm as well. So named as, and it is nothing but the lateral cutaneous branch of the ventral rami of T2 spinal segment. And this is medial cutaneous nerve of arm as it lies on the medial aspect in the arm, and medial cutaneous nerve of forearm. Okay, these two are the direct branches of the brachial plexus through the medial cord. And this territory is supplied by the ulnar nerve. Okay, we are very much known to these nerves. Okay, upper lateral, this is the branch of axillary nerve. Lower lateral cutaneous nerve of arm, this is the branch of radial nerve. Lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm, this is branch of musculocutaneous nerve. Superficial radial nerve, branch of radial nerve. Now coming to dorsal aspect, cutaneous innervation. Now the bride, they have got married, so they made a hut. This is like a hut. You can see here. This is like a hut, and marriage is going on. So some decoration at the top of roof. पतिंगा लगाया गया है यहाँ पे विलेज में. And now they are going to bring bride. Going to the ring finger. So one line is going to the ring finger. This familial bangle, खानदानी bangle दिया गया बहू को. This is खानदानी bangle, and every son has provided with a wristwatch. This signifies wristwatch. And now you have to fill this area. And these are nail paint. As this is function, marriage ceremony, so nail paint is there. Above this decoration, this is supraclavicular nerve territory. C3, C4, ventral rami, intercostobrachial nerve. Here it is worth mentioning that it is not supplying the arm, only restricted to the intercostal area on the posterior aspect. On the anterior aspect, it is supplying arm, but not on the posterior or dorsal aspect. As it is on the lateral side towards the thumb, so upper lateral cutaneous nerve of arm, lower lateral cutaneous nerve of arm. This is on the medial aspect, so medial. But here the new member has come, that is the posterior cutaneous nerve of arm, and this one is posterior cutaneous nerve of forearm, in the arm and the forearm respectively. Also, this is worth mentioning that lower, why I have all this? There is no upper lower in the forearm. This is lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm, which is nothing but the cutaneous branch of the musculocutaneous nerve. Lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm, they are restricted to the small territory. And this is towards the little finger, and this is the ulnar border, so ulnar nerve. The radial border, so radial nerve. And median nerve, after supply on the ventral aspect, they are coming on the nail bed. But lateral 3.5 finger. Okay? And this is supplied by the ulnar nerve. By memorizing this story, you can make very fast. सबसे अंत में हम बनाने देंगे. पूरा जब क्लास हो जाएगा तो सबको बना के दिखाना होगा. Okay? Diagram. You have to draw the diagram on paper.
On paper. Then it's
Now, what what is the clinical significance of knowing these cutaneous nerve? Suppose this is the, in red color, this is the radial nerve, and this is superficial radial nerve, which is the branch of radial nerve, and coming here to supply the ball of thumb. It is supplied by radial nerve, lower lateral cutaneous nerve of arm, as well as the superficial radial nerve. If it is, the pain and temperature is intact here, we can know that there is a lesion after that, after the origin of this superficial radial nerve. क्लियर हो पा रहा है?
यस मैम।
जहां से नर्व निकला,
यस मैम।
सुपरफिशियल रेडियल नर्व यहाँ सप्लाई कर रहा है। अगर यहाँ इंटैक्ट है, पेन टेम्परेचर ऐसे चुभा रहे हैं, पिन को बोला कि हाँ पता चल रहा है, गर्म ठंडा सब पता चल रहा है, तो इसका मतलब है कि इसके ऊपर और इस यहाँ पे जहां से ओरिजिन हुआ है वहां पे कुछ नहीं हुआ, उसके नीचे हुआ होगा, है ना? और या इसका माने इसका इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, इसका मतलब है कि इसका ओरिजिन या इससे ऊपर का इन्वॉल्वमेंट, ठीक है? साइट ऑफ लीजन बताता है कि कहाँ पे हुआ होगा इन्वॉल्वमेंट।